Everyone, and welcome back to Pens with M's. I'm gonna be planning my week ahead, and I've gotten so many DMs when I share these asking me questions that I figured instead of just doing the really fast speed up that I've been doing lately, I'm just gonna walk you guys through what I did. So I tried to take some videos of me printing the stickers, but I do make these stickers in Procreate, Canva, and Cricut Design Studio. Some of them are linked in my Etsy shop. My boyfriend finally convinced me to put them up there, and he said that you guys would actually want me to do that, and so far it's been true. You guys have got, someone bought one, so clearly you guys like them. So they're there. I'll have a link down below. I need to make sure that I put this one up, but this one's being a little bit weird, so I still probably have to finagle this one. This one's a brand new one. So yeah, one of my friends on my Instagram, when I asked what I should post, I don't know if it was Instagram or TikTok, asked which ones I should do, and they said boba. So I went ahead and I made my boba images into a little Hobonichi spread. So I'm going to use those this week, and I'll just do this and I'll sort of walk you guys through it. So I like to plan my week on Sunday or Saturday. It kind of helps me not miss meetings, because otherwise I just won't show up to meetings. And I'll tell you what, management doesn't like it when you do that. For some reason, not making it to your meetings is heavily frowned upon. Where are my tweezers? Tweezers acquired. Okay, so yeah, management doesn't like it if you don't show up to your meetings for some reason. I don't know. They're picky. No, but all joking aside, I have a bunch of calendars. Like, because of the way our company is structured, my day job alone has 2 calendars. And then of course I have my personal calendar and my daughter's calendar, and I have my like my calendar of travel for my partner because he lives in a different city. So it's just a lot to manage, and so I prefer to plan on a Sunday so that I can not miss things. One of the things I love the most about Hobonichi is that it starts on a Monday. And for some reason, my brain has always been Monday start. Even if the calendars that I've been using are Sunday starts, my brain always is a Monday start. And so when I saw that there were actually calendars or planners that were Monday starts, I was very intrigued, and it just really works well with my brain, because on Sunday, that's the day that I reset for the week ahead, but it's also the day that I wrap up. More importantly, my brain views it as the day that I'm wrapping up for everything from the week before. So yeah, having Sunday be the start of the week just feels very strange to me. And I like that Hobonichi starts on a Monday. A lot of people are bothered by the colors in the Hobonichi for Saturday and Sunday. I'm not. I just do this because I think it looks prettier. And I like to print my stickers on washi paper because then I can see the numbers through it. Although this week I might write in the numbers, just, to be slightly different. So this week I'm not gonna actually plan in it. Like, I'm not gonna write down what I have to do because I feel like that can get really boring. That's one of the reasons I speed things up. But I always do essentially the same thing. And I know that's kind of boring, but for me it's wonderful because repetition makes me calm. Okay, we're gonna put this one here because I never do anything that early. I actually do it down here, right around here. Yes, here. Perfect. And the only reason I mess that up is because I didn't go in order. So this week, for some reason, it decided to print like that. I don't know why it did that. I'm not happy about it, but like, it is what it is, and I will fix it in this sheet so that it doesn't do that again. But yeah, and it didn't even cut that part, which is kind of annoying. Let me see if I can hold, please. There we go. Let's see if I did it right. Perfect. Bam. No one will know. There we go. And this one should be okay because I only need part of it. But we'll see. Wow, that's like perfect. See, I always meal plan down here, so I like to make a little border around it. Here we go. And I almost did pens this week because it's the Atlanta Pen Show. And I'm going and I'm really excited about it, but I don't know, I decided not to. I decided to do boba because that is what my friend said that I should do. And I thought, what the hey, it's fun. And I wanted to make this boba sheet anyway. I've already used my fountain pen one recently. I did do Diet Coke last week and I loved that one. All right. So I'm really excited about the Atlanta Pen Show. I have my budget set. And I saw that Kirk's Beer has Coke nibs. Okay, like the Atlanta Pen Show has a Coke bottle on it. And if you know anything about me and my obsession with Diet Coke, of course there's one right here, you know that I obviously need to have at least like 2 of those. Like I need a broad, I need a stub, maybe you know, a stub in a Jowo and one in a Bach. I don't know, but that has to happen. So yeah, these are the days of the pen show. So we're gonna put that here. There's no way I'm doing anything before 10 a.m. on a Sunday. That's just never gonna happen. Okay, I do have to say, I don't know if you can see it really well here. You can probably see it here. Look at this one. It's like a galaxy. And so I created this one and this actually was like kind of like a mistake. Anyway, I did this one and then I thought, ooh, I'm gonna make boba planets. And then I made boba planets and I love them. That's gonna be in my daily pages this week. I do use the stickers from these sets in like the rest of my week. But yeah, this is like, this one started out as an ube one and then accidentally became a galaxy. And that's fine because you know, like Bob Ross says, there are no mistakes, just happy little accidents, right? And I don't know, that's probably not what he says, but I love Bob Ross, so. It's a happy little accident and I'm very, you know, see, I do this every, I need to just start making a sticker that says meals because I keep making this same mistake. No, Emma, that's where you have to write meals. This is meant to block that off over here. Good job. There we go. Okay, so that I don't make the same mistake, I'm actually gonna go in here and write dinners. And because I've really, really been loving Lady Grey and I don't have it in a pen yet that I can remember, I'm gonna write it here with my nib. Dinners. And I don't, I only plan dinners, like I don't plan all my meals. Because basically lunch is whatever I have time for, dependent upon what my day looks like. And then my daughter always gets the same thing. She gets a peanut butter and jelly sandwich every day. Well, sun butter and jelly sandwich because no peanuts allowed at her school. But yeah, she gets a nut butter and jelly sandwich, and then she gets a sun butter and jelly sandwich, and she gets a fruit or 2. I try to give her a vegetable, and then she gets like some kind of snacky food, and she gets a, I'll put this here. She gets a bottle of water. What else do I usually give her? I know there's one more thing that I usually give her. Oh, like popcorn or chips or something like that. But yeah, it's basically the same. I've tried switching it up on her. She doesn't like it. She's like me. She has ADHD, and we just do not like having a lot of stuff change. Like when we have a food we like that food. Okay, when else can I put this one? Again, Saturday. I don't anticipate being anywhere super early on Saturday, so we'll put this here. And if I do, then I can always do this. So I am definitely going to put here that it's the Atlanta Pen Show, but like I said, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna start filling it out. So yeah, that's what it looks like before I start filling it out. And then I put all my to-dos here, and I put obviously like when I have to be in meetings and everything here, and this is kind of like high level, and then I'll go back and forth and put stuff over there. However, I am going to number these. that is the one thing I wanted to do this week. Let me see, where is my midliner, mild liner, or whatever. What are these called? Micron pens, there we go. So 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, yeah. And there's a lot of days that I just don't use the planner because I forget, and then my whole life falls to pieces, and I learn my lesson and I do it later. But yeah, that's how I fill out my planner. If you guys liked it, give the video a like, subscribe for more, and if you are curious about any of my stickers, you can find them in my links below. Bye everybody!